Hey, I'm Matt. I've been Team Pam's mentor this week. Here we have Dan, Harris, Aidan, Ben, and Ben. I hear you're having a maths lesson today, and as engineers, you should all love maths, so enjoy.
Right, as Matt said, we're Team Pam. The name Pam is because we've named our first glider Pam, because in World War II they usually name maths like a girl's name, so we just chose that. It seems suitable. Right, for the challenge, for the plane, we had to alter the globe tutor and change it in certain ways. So for like the tail, the wing, and things like that, we could change the dimensions, the material it's made of, and the position on the plane. These will affect the aerodynamics and the weight, things like that. The controls change the things like the dampening, as other people have said and explained. The fuselage determines how long the plane is, so you can have a greater moment around the rudder to make it yaw better. And then the engine obviously adds the most power and adds also weight to the front end. And then the limits and the constraints of this test were that the price had to be under £200,000 and the mass had to be over 800 kilograms. Pound dollar. That's the plane. As you can see, it's not the most aerodynamic looking plane. It looks like a car with a fin on it. But then it flew well when we tested it, and it flew well when Martin tested it as well. So even if it doesn't look good, it still works, function over form or not.
Okay. So we thought that the best thing to sort of present to you and to talk about is the problems and the solutions, because the solutions are the things we learn the most, I hope, did we? And also, just as a side note, we are the only team that has used the Liverpool University PowerPoint feed. Just a side note. So the first thing we talk about is computer and simulation issues. That doesn't just apply to aeronautics, everyone has computer issues. So we used X analysis, which is where we input all the data into the simulator eventually. So we initially had some problems editing the fin, the tail, and the wing, given that we weren't sure which bit to open and which bits to change, but eventually we worked them out. I'll get onto that bit in a minute. And then we